I'm teaching Shelly how to make acne. Shelly's becoming an expert, expert. Shelly's curry. Look at that. Yummy in my tummy. Lekker on a cold day. Make it 8 potatoes and we can go for. Okay guys, so this is a continuation. Hello everyone, salam. I'm going to be a bit quiet for the next week and a half or so. I'll post here and there where I can. Firstly, as I told you, Shelly's going away for a few days. She's going to see her mom. Her mom is not doing so well. And I'm on the other hand going away with my sisters, some of my nieces, and my bestie Robin. We're going to Houdini in Rawsonville. It's my first time there. It's Robin's first time there, so we're excited. I'm going to try to vlog. But my foot is a bit sore, my left foot, so I'm not doing much. I'm resting it. I've learned my lesson to rest it. Don't catch on nonsense, Fatima. Don't catch on nonsense. Shelly, I tell myself not to catch on nonsense. I should have put this phone on a tripod because ek skit as ek lag. My whole body skit. So yes, this is just a quick check-in. I'll post where I can. But if you see, hey Fatima, you're a bit quiet, just know I'm resting my foot. And I'm also away on a little, what do you call it, mini vacation. I'm going to rest, don't worry. I'm not doing much. Shelly's helping me with everything, and when I'm away with my sisters and everyone, they're going to do all the cooking and everything, so I can rest and heal up. And before you know it, I'll be back and posting some more videos and updates. And what else? As raak nou koud mense, baie koud. So nou kon die breedies mos nou uit. Shelly, just put the stove a little bit lower, the plate. And ek bubble die weg and I don't want the pot to burn. Thank you, my baby. Thank you. Yeah, so so we just don't get me wrong, I get very bored when I can't work. I'm that kind of person. Shoo. Ask Shelly, ask anyone. Ek kan nie stil sit nie, but I must learn to. There, I put the washing in as well. Ek gaan nou wasgoed ophang and then I'm gonna go rest. So everyone, hope you guys are staying positive and keeping active and resting when possible. An update on my twin sister Khadija. She's doing so well. She's cooking, she's walking around, she's doing chores in the house. Yeah, she's just doing so great. And before you know it, you're going to see her back as well, doing her videos and carrying on with what she loves to do. So, yeah. Yeah, it's rustig hier so. The Shelly. That spices is making me cough now. Well, lag ek weer. Skit die phone. I can't keep on laughing. Hey yo. Anyways, that's it, guys. I will see you soon. Don't worry. While I'm away, there's lots of videos you can check on my video list. All the recipes, there's lots: breedies, curries, cakes, desserts, breads, salads, vegetable dishes, vegetarian dishes, vegan dishes, you name it, it's all there. Just type in Fatima Saido and then whatever recipe you're looking for, it will pop up on Facebook videos or on YouTube if you're on YouTube. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go now. Love you guys, and what do I always say? And I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone.